We're gradually getting closer to Paws Airdrop. So now you can now connect your Paws to Solana wallet. For those of you who have no knowledge of Solana, is a blockchain that Paws will actually be using to list their token. So just like Ton, we have Tonkeeper and some other wallet that they use. So since they are using Solana, they will be using Solana wallet for you to receive your token. So now you have been asked to actually connect your Paws account to Solana wallet. So if you come to the wallets part here, if you click, you're going to see it says connect to Solana wallet, as you can see from here. Then if you come to end section, you're going to see that you actually get 10,000 Paws for this, and you have just 2 days to get it done. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, do wait to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel. And if you've been watching my video and you're yet to subscribe, it costs nothing, just click on the subscribe button. Good. So, and for you to get this thing done, the first thing you need to do is to download Solana wallet, which is Phantom wallet. So you can go to your Play Store or Apple Store, then you search Phantom wallet. So then you install the Phantom wallet. So after installing the Phantom wallet, you will need to create new wallet. That's if you don't have any wallet before. So if you create the new wallet, you will be asked to copy your recovery phrase, and make sure you save it securely. So after saving your recovery phrase securely, then you are good to go. So these are your Solana wallet will look like. So we need to now connect it to our Paws account. So we come to our Paws account, then you locate the wallet section, or you come to end section, either of the two. So let's come to the end section. Then here you come to Solana, connect to Solana. So you come to Solana, you click on start. Then here you see Phantom. So since you already installed the Phantom wallet, just click on connect Phantom wallet. Then you'll be redirected, you enter your password. So then you click on connect. Very quick and easy, done, boom. So Solana wallet connected, then you claim your price. Then we are good to go to prepare for and receive an airdrop. You get the point? Good of you. So do well to like, subscribe to our channel, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel. See you next time for more great and exciting updates.